In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Forms to create a survey. Google Forms is a powerful tool that's incredibly useful for gathering information, gathering feedback, or even just for fun quizzes. The process is straightforward and I'll guide you through each step, so you'll have your survey ready in no time. First, let's start by opening your Google Drive. To do this, navigate to the Google Drive website and sign in with your Google account if you're not already logged in. Google Drive is where all your forms, documents, and files will be stored. It's like your personal cloud space on the internet, keeping everything organized and accessible wherever you are. Next, within Google Drive, look towards the top left corner for the big, colourful button labelled New. Clicking on this will present you with a drop-down menu. This menu is filled with options to create different types of documents, presentations, and more. From this menu, select Google Forms. It might be hidden under the More section, so you might need to give that a click if you don't see it right away. Once you click on Forms, you'll be directed to a new page where you'll have the option to start with a blank form. For our purposes today, select the blank option, which will give you a fresh canvas to start creating your survey. Starting from a blank form means you have full control over how your survey looks and will be able to set it up exactly how you envision it. At this point, it's time to name your form. Click where it says Untitled Form at the top and type in the name of your survey. This name will be the first impression readers get, so make it clear and relevant to what your survey is about. Naming your form helps keep everything organized, especially if you plan on creating multiple surveys. Now we're ready to add some questions. Click on the section that says Untitled Question to begin entering your first query. Google Forms offers different types of questions like multiple choice, checkboxes, or open-ended responses, which you can select from a drop-down menu next to your question. Choose the type that best suits the information you're hoping to gather. If your survey needs more sections, look for the icon resembling two rectangles. This icon allows you to add additional sections, making your form more organized and easier to navigate, especially if it covers multiple topics or themes. Once your questions are in place, click on the Responses tab. Here you can decide how you want to collect and view the answers. You can choose to receive them in your email or through a linked spreadsheet, which can be quite handy for data analysis later on. Finally, when you're satisfied with how everything looks, it's time to publish your form. Click on the Send button located at the top right corner. You can share your survey via email, link, or even embed it on a website if needed. And there you have it, your survey is ready to go live. This powerful tool from Google makes it easy to reach out, gather valuable insights, and manage them efficiently. Hopefully this guide has shown you how simple and intuitive it is to create your own Google Form survey. Give it a try and see how it can serve your needs. Thank you for watching.